His dog looks so unamused, clearly he hasn't seen The Dark Knight Rises. Tom Hardy has a whole heap of credits to his name at this stage, including Mad Max, Fury Road, The Revenant, Inception and, more recently, Peaky Blinders, but one of his most iconic roles is still bad guy Bane in the climactic film of Christopher Nolan's Dark Knight trilogy. The actor shared a video of him reciting some of the character's iconic lines, including "You merely adopted the dark, I was born in it, molded by it," to his unimpressed dog, using a nut cup to muffle his voice.